All right guys, so today I'm gonna do a install on a LiftMaster 87504-267. Operator bracket. Got your hardware kit. Here's your wall panel. This is your bracket that goes on the wall for the rail. Extra wires, should you need them. These are the new sensors that LiftMaster Chamberlain has designed. Now this package here actually comes with two remotes. Normally they had the Chamberlain residential series at Home Depot, Lowe's, and they had those packages there with two remotes and a keypad. Well, some of the complaints that I experienced in other contractors is that we would get these LiftMaster motors and they didn't have two remotes and a keypad. They always had one remote, and your customer would be complaining that for the price of what they're paying for a contractor series, they could get something from Home Depot or Lowe's, cheaper price, and what they believe had more options such as more remotes, keypads, and whatnot. So here LiftMaster, I think, did a great job. They stepped it up a little bit and they provided more for the customer. Here's a user guide that comes in the box. Some safety stickers. That's that motor right there. And there's the motor out of the box. Part of your J-arm, belt retainer, sensor brackets. Here's your keypad, your backup battery. On your older style LiftMasters, previous models, you had the wiring sections on the motor that were exposed on the back and on the sides. Well, here they actually have, on this cool setup, opens and closes. So on this side here, you have for your backup battery, which is going to be right in there. There's your model information. All right, and then right there is your ports for your backup battery, which we're going to plug in right now. You can see here you have your red and black, positive and negative. And what we'll do is we'll put our red and black cords connected. So here's your red. It just closes off like that. Beautiful design. I like the setup. Notice the antenna here. You're gonna see that, not like the other devices where the antenna actually hangs down from the motor. I've had a lot of customers tuck that antenna away, cut it, not knowing that it's for the antenna. It just gives a funky look on the older motors. It's just kind of sticking out by itself. Here, they did a cool design where it has a little groove in the plastic and the antenna's tucked away in there so you won't actually see it when it's mounted. Now, just like we showed you the backup battery setup, here on the other side, you take off the plastic protection here. This also is going to open up right here on the back. Take a look at that. You got your information, serial number, whatnot, but look, you have your actual setup for your limits and your 4 settings, and then your wiring goes right in there. So you can tuck it right from the top here, bring it in, and I really like this a lot because you have a little cover right there and it's gone. I mean, the wiring is going to be absolutely beautiful when it's hidden here, and I think LiftMaster did an amazing job on this. I really like this motor a lot.